So I packed the clothes for the kids a little differently this year, or this trip. Usually I will put them in a suitcase and just roll them up, but Nate's actually using the suitcase this time. So instead, I am going to show you guys how I packed their clothes and what I'm actually bringing for them. So let me turn the camera around. So I had one of these just plastic drawer sets in the kitchen filled with a little bit of stuff, but I actually took everything out so I could use it for their clothes. This small middle drawer, we just have their extra shoes that we're taking. Let me adjust so you can see a little. Oops, sorry people. There we go. We have their shoes that we're taking. We're taking flip-flops and then these sandals, and that's all the shoes that we're taking this time, just because it is so hot in Georgia and I'm not going to put on tennis shoes to get hot and sweaty in. Our bottom drawer, we have pajamas. Right now they each only have 2 sets of pajamas because the rest of their pajamas are in the dryer. So after I get the rest of their pajamas out, I will be putting them in here as well. I have a bag with both of their swimsuits. We have 3 pairs of socks and underwear for Zoe. She likes to sleep in socks at night. And then we also have 3 pairs of socks and underwear for Caleb. Occasionally he will sleep in socks as well. And then up top we have their actual outfits. I put an outfit for Caleb and an outfit for Zoe in each of the Ziploc baggies. I have 2 bags with good going off outfits. And then right now I only have 3 bags of play outfits. I will be adding more after they get out of the washing machine. I believe I'm going to do 5 play outfits, either 4 or 5 play outfits and then 2 good outfits. Just because we're going to be at my mom's and she does have a washing machine. So if I need it, I will use that. And I just have them in Ziploc baggies. That way each morning I could just grab a baggie out and they both have an outfit in there. And there's no need to dig through a bunch of clothes and try to find matching pieces of an outfit. And if I do wash clothes while I'm down there,
hopefully this works.
When I wash clothes while I'm down there, I will fold them and put them back in the baggies. And then my clothes are just in a backpack. This is what Nate usually has his clothes in, but since he's using the suitcase this time because it's a business trip, I'm going to be using the backpack. That's as far as it opens, but I've got shoes down the very bottom, and then I have pants and shirts and pajamas. And I have my undergarments. They're going to be in a bag just so they're easy to find. Up front, I have my fanny pack, my jewelry, and my journal, along with a pin. And that's all that I'm going to have in the backpack. And then this is going to be our toiletry bag. I have my makeup, hair bows and bobby pins, a razor, just hair stuff, my cup, my face stuff, and then a brush. After we brush our teeth tonight, I will be putting toothbrushes and toothpaste in here. So that way it's all in one area and we can just leave the whole box in the bathroom. Our snacks are all in the same basket. And then I actually have the portable DVD player in our snack basket as well. We do have one more basket or one more bag of snacks in the refrigerator with the Lunchables and the squeezy pouches and a couple soft drinks just so they'll be cold. But this one will go right behind the driver's seat so I can just easily reach back and grab out what I need out of it. And then here we just have the kids' bags that they're going to keep with them. We have a blanket in there, a neck pillow, a couple soft stuffed animals, and then 1 or 2 toys. And then the same for Zoe. She's got a blanket, her neck pillow, 1 or 2 toys. And we will add her baby doll and her bunny tonight. And then my bag has my knitting, my crocheting, and then just 2 books that I'm going to be reading or trying to read throughout the week. Totally forgot to film an outro to this video when I was recording it. So this is my outro. That's all that I brought for our trip to Georgia. We're actually here now and we're a few days in and I am loving the system for the kids' clothes, just the buckets or the drawers. Absolutely loving that. But that's all I have for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.